What y'all doing today?
Nothing.
You want to go to the mall?
Alright.
Alright, I'll drive. Put y'all seatbelt on.
Psh, YOLO.
I told her to put her seatbelt on. I can't hear you!
You do whatever you want.
Hurry the fudge up, I'm shaky. Micaiah, we have to do it one more time.
Okay. Micaiah,
Just go like this, Micaiah. No, stop. Micaiah. 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 Micaiah.
Micaiah.
Micaiah. Micaiah, just be quiet. Micaiah, be quiet. Micaiah. Oh my God, just stay still for 2 seconds. Micaiah. Micaiah, I swear, bro. Micaiah, stop.
Get out of the car, Micaiah.
Micaiah. Micaiah, put your seatbelt on. Just leave it, Micaiah. Just leave it.
Micaiah.
Micaiah, just leave it. Don't put it back on. Micaiah, leave it. I'll do. Micaiah. 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 Micaiah, you're so
Hello.
Micaiah. Stop, Micaiah. I have to stop. Serious, Micaiah. 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 Stop it. Micaiah. Put y'all seatbelt on.
Did she just say the V word?
Look at them. I just realized I have dog slobber on my hat. I told her to put her seatbelt on.
For a dead person, she moving an awful lot.